Welcome to the 2-Minute SQL Tips. Duplicates can skew analytics and cause bad reporting. In this video, we'll show you how to identify and remove duplicates in your tables using the row number window function. Yes, we'll keep it short and simple. Row number is a window function that assigns a unique number to each row within a partition, based on the order you define. It's ideal for spotting duplicates by numbering repeated entries. Here's the general syntax. You partition the data by the columns you want to check for duplicates and assign a row number to each entry. In this case, we are looking to see if the combination of column 1 and column 2 has duplicates. Let's say you have a user registration table called users, as shown here. Given that some users have registered more than once, you want to find out which email has duplicate entries. You can achieve this using the code here. And here's the output. Note that john.smith@gmail.com appears 3 times in the users table, so these rows have a row num value of 1, 2, 3, with the earliest entry getting a value of 1. You might say, couldn't I use group by? The answer is yes. You can use count and group by to find which email has duplicates. The advantage of using a window function is that you retain all the details of the original table. So, let's say the rule is, we want to keep 1 row per email, and we want to use the earliest registration data. This cannot be done with group by, but it can be done with this window function. And here's the output after we run this function. Now we have removed the duplicates. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2-minute SQL tips. See you next time.